All right, guys, just another update on this ARTL trade. Um, so just to go over it, we were waiting on confirmation. We talked about a subject that we went over in the Q&A last night, February 11th, 2021. Basically, we were just talking about somebody asked a question, when do you get in and get out of a trade? And I brought up big body candlesticks and small body candlesticks. There's only two type of candlesticks. No matter what these patterns, tell us the names are, we got to think about what the story is that they're telling them. I don't care that you memorize the names so much, but I do want you to focus on the story that the charts are telling you, or that the candlesticks are telling you. And then also we went over symmetry. So I basically looked at this run up from the bottom, did a measurement with this shape, duplicated the shape, dragged it over here, and lo and behold, price ran up, and we set a price target. It almost hit our price target. I was mentioning that we should probably get out below the actual symmetrical length of the first run, and this is why, because you can see it topped out at about 367. So that's what I mean. You don't want to be the last person to sell, so you always want to set your price targets a little bit below of the symmetrical run, or however you want to set your target. Whatever psychological number you come up with, you just want to be like, oh, okay, I want to sell a little bit below that. And we were just 2 cents shy of where I set it. So that's why you got to set alarms. Keep eye. You probably could set an alarm here just to notify you that price was getting close to there. And it would have triggered you to come take a look at the chart, and you probably could have got out. But price is still in an uptrend from where we got in. We had talked about getting in at 269, ran up to 367. If you would have bought 1,000 shares, that would have been a quick $1,000 because almost $1 run estimated. So it would have been a nice, good little, quick little trade for you within, let's see, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, almost like an hour. So yeah, a few clicks, $1,000. Granted, it would have taken $2,860 to get in, but you kind of get the point. So let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if today's video has helped you out. LearnYourStock.com, $1 a day. You can get this knowledge. You can trade with this. You can get our alert signals. We'd be more than happy to help. We love doing this. So feel free to hit us up, LearnYourStock.com. Oh, be sure to go to YouTube. Check us out there. Like, comment, subscribe. We got TikTok, Instagram, pretty much all the socials. So we'd appreciate any love that you guys can send us. So thank you and have a great day.